Welcome everyone. I just wanted to do another little short piece on perennial grass recovery. So it's really poorly understood that the importance of perennial grass. It's like as if it's even getting deteriorating. So if you want to reach the highest levels of land health and biodiversity in a grassland area that's being used in a brittle lower rainfall, then the perennial grass and management of the perennial grass is crucial to maximising land health and biodiversity. So a perennial grass is recovered when it looks like an ungrazed plant and contains fresh yellow litter. The first part of that statement, it looks like an ungrazed plant, is from Alan Savory's work. So no cut-off tips, all beautiful pointy tips. And the fresh yellow litter is what I've added after studying several hundred safe to fail trials and monitoring and using landscape function. So you can effectively not kill grasses if you don't have the fresh yellow litter, but you don't build landscape function. If you don't build landscape function, you don't, which means basically that you haven't got litter that's decomposing in the intertussock space. You don't have anywhere near the same level of stability, water infiltration and nutrient cycling. So the definition is really crucial to know that before you put the animals in, that this is what you've got to do and look for is fresh yellow litter in the higher or better perennial grasses. I'd also like to say something about sort of this sigmoid curve grazing. It doesn't work, never did as far as I can tell. But the person that's quoted as having been the first to talk about it actually says that it doesn't work in practice, and that's Andre Voisin in his book Grass Productivity. So I'll clip that quote in there as well. And also just the whole idea that you can cheat recovery by leaving leaf area just doesn't work. And I'll also put in some landscape function results from projects that were supervised by Sydney University showing that if you go for the leaf-driven recovery, trying to only eat half the plant, you don't get anywhere near. You only get about 2/3 of the landscape function that you get if you go for high utilisation, long recoveries, with high stock density. So all these things are all linked. Sounds of interest and you want to discuss more or even have a debate, I'd be very happy to talk to you. Thanks for that. See you. Bye.